Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. My friends, today we're back here once again with breaking news that just broke out in the middle of last night around 5 a.m. and that is that we have all of the official pictures for the DJI Air 2S. We have all the official packaging of the box of the Fly More combo, as well as all of the official pictures that are going to be posted on DJI's website as soon as this drone launches. And also we have all of the camera specs. We're going to be giving you the specs of this drone, release it, expected pricing, and a whole lot more info you don't want to miss out, guys. Today's video is going to be extremely exciting, to say the least. But before we get started, I'm sorry if I'm not as enthusiastic and as loud, and that is because it's around 5:30 in the morning, so I don't want to wake the other persons that are in my house, so I'm sorry for that. And also, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first one to bring you the latest drone news as soon as they come out, no matter what. And also, I want to give a huge thank you for all of you guys for 5,000 subscribers. After uploading over 300 videos, we finally made it. So I just wanted to come out here and say thank you to all of you guys. I truly appreciate all of your support. So with that being said, guys, why don't we go ahead and dive right into today's video. And also, if you're new to the channel, subscribe so you can help us get to the next goal, which is 10K. I know we can do it. I know you're capable of doing it, and let's go for it, guys. So let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be extremely exciting. Well, around 4:30 a.m. last night, I saw a notification in my phone from OCTLB, and I knew it was gonna be big once again. And well, it looks like we have the official images for the DJI Air 2 as well. Yesterday, the trailer video was leaked, and there was a lot of people saying, "Oh, that was homemade. That doesn't look real." Well, I'm sorry, guys, to tell you, but there's no way that can be fake. And well, today we have all of the official pictures to prove it, including the Fly More combo box picture. So for all of you guys saying that this drone was fake, well, I'm sorry to tell you that it's not. So thanks to OCTLB, we have the first picture. So the first one is from the Fly More combo box, and here we're going to be able to see the controller and everything that is going to be included. So let's go ahead and start with his tweet, and then it's going to be followed by his picture right here on screen. And there we have it. It says, "Is it time to sell your Air 2? I think it is, guys." And then there we have the picture. It says DJI Air 2. There we can clearly see the 3 batteries. We can see the drone, the same drone that we saw yesterday on the trailer video. And there on the right hand side, we can see it says ADS-B, and then it says 1 CMOS, and that is a 1-inch sensor, and then it says Fly More combo. Something pretty interesting to note is that the controller will stay the same. The controller will not be changing from the previous generation, so it's going to stay exactly the same. That makes me wonder, we'll still have OcuSync 3.0. We're just gonna have to wait and see. But there is a picture, guys. There's no denying that this drone is fake. For all of you guys saying it's fake, it was a homemade drone, well, I'm sorry to tell you, that's not the case. It's coming out, and it's coming out extremely soon, guys. So that was just the first picture, and it was actually a pretty low resolution picture. And then OCTLB hit us once again an hour later around 5:30 a.m. with multiple shots of the DJI Air 2S, which are extremely high quality. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at them right here on screen. There we have them. So it says IMX 383 with a question mark. That's going to be the sensor that's going to be using, and we're going to be talking about just in a couple of seconds more. But there we can clearly see the drone. We can see the camera, just as was the same camera that we saw yesterday. We can see the upward obstacle avoidance, pretty similar to what we find right here, guys, with the DJI Air 2S. I mean, the body is practically identical. The only thing that's going to be changing is the upward obstacle avoidance. Obviously, the camera is going to be one of the biggest change. Probably, hopefully, we get new ESCs and also new props. They're going to be changing from that white colorway on the tip to kind of like an orangey kind of like red, kind of what we see on the Mini 2. Okay, so something pretty similar. Let's go ahead and take this cap off so we can take a closer look at it and the camera of this drone. This one has a 1/2 inch sensor. Now the Air 2s will have a 1 inch sensor, and that is officially confirmed thanks to the packaging of the box. Now, what kind of sensor will it have? Well, thanks to CLB, we know that most likely this will have a Sony IMX383 sensor. That is a 1 inch sensor capable of shooting 20 megapixel still pictures, and you can shoot that in JPEG, RAW, or JPEG and RAW. So I think that's great, guys. For all of those professional photographers, I think this will do. I think that the quality will be definitely much better, although we're losing some pixels. I know there is the pictures on the Air 2, they are stitched together, but still you get that 48 megapixels with the Air 2. We're losing a little bit megapixels, but we're changing that for a bigger sensor. So you have to give up some things in life, right? Now let's talk about video quality. We still don't have it confirmed, but we know that this sensor is capable of shooting 4K 60. So at least we know that the Air 2s will be able to shoot 4K 60. So I think that's pretty exciting. I think that's even high resolution than what we found it on the Mavic Air 2, which also had a 1 inch sensor, and it's going to be able to do that with a 10-bit output. Okay, so that's pretty good. Now, something to take into consideration: the Air 2s will not be using the Hasselblad color grading, which is what we find on the Mavic 2 Pro. Okay, so keep that in mind. This will not be Hasselblad technology implemented into it. Okay, just keep that in mind. Now, so I think I'm pretty excited, guys. I cannot express my excitement enough. Now let's talk about release date and pricing. Well, guys, we're extremely close to the release date. Once something like this happens, where we get all of these pictures, the trailer, the box images, I know we're literally probably days away from seeing this drone, so I'm pretty excited. So I want to finish up this video talking about pricing and when to expect this drone. Unfortunately, we do not have the official pricing yet. We should have it in a couple days, I would say, and as soon as that goes live, you're gonna have the video on the channel. So what kind of price can we expect to see on the DJI Air 2 as well? We know for a fact that the price is going to be increased. I think there's no denying about that, and we saw that with the original Mini 1 and then with the Mini 2, and on that drone we saw a price increase of around 13%. So let's go ahead and take that same percentage and apply it to the Air 2. So if we take the base version and take that 13%, we're talking around 900. So probably the base version, the one that only comes with one battery, will cost $899. That's my prediction, $899. And then for the Fly More combo, I'm also expecting to see a 13% increase in price. So I'm expecting to see a price on the Fly More combo, which is the one I just showed you the picture of, $1,100. Something I forgot to mention about the Fly More combo is the batteries, guys. It looks like the batteries of the Air 2 will be 100% compatible. We were able to confirm that with the FCC label, but we can now officially 100% confirm it based on the pictures. I think that's a great idea from DJI, and I truly appreciate that they're giving us the possibility to fit our old batteries onto the new drone. So that's, I think, great news. Now let's finish off talking about pricing. When is this drone going to be released? Guys, we got the trailer yesterday. In case you didn't saw it, go ahead and take a look at yesterday's video. It was a really good one. Now, thanks to some very reliable sources and of all of the leaks that we have gotten, the FCC label, the images, guys, we're literally days away from seeing this drone. Everything is pointing towards April. So there was a rumor going around April 27th. That's still not confirmed. That's just in there. Now, as soon as it is confirmed, we're going to let you know. Don't worry. So make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on that video as soon as it's released. So I think, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I think we have some pretty exciting news to look forward to, and I think that today's news were pretty exciting. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion signing out.